Alright. Hi YouTube, my name is Luna. I decided to make my first YouTube video on stupid people doing stupid things. Are you done? Sorry, that's my friend CJ. He's on speakerphone right now. Anyways, my first YouTube video is going to be about why not to smoke pot out of aluminum foil. Dun dun dun. For one, it causes Alzheimer's because bits and particles that no one can really tell, and you have to have like a super microscope to Anyways, don't smoke out of it because for one, little itty bitty particles that you need super microscope to see through. They can be inhaled through the smoke and into the lungs and into your bloodstream, and that's one of the main reasons why it causes Alzheimer's. And then I imagine it can cut the shit out of your lungs and your throat, and it also heats up because it's a superconductor. So it's probably going to burn the fuck out of you too. So it's probably a good idea that you don't use that you don't use an aluminum pipe. It's not a very smart idea to do. Just get a real one, or you can make one out of clay and just glaze it. That's all you need to do. Alright, that's about it. So please don't be douchebags and start criticizing me for what I'm doing by trying to make people aware that aluminum is dangerous to smoke out of. Because this is my first video. I didn't need douchebags being like, you're stupid, you make it out of marijuana, you're stupid. No, douchebags, stay away from my video and my channel, please. And thank you. So, I'm gonna go now. I have to talk to my friend CJ, so I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.